All right. Okay. So what's going on here is we have 80, 73, 65, 90, 96, 182. What's my highest, my lowest? What's my domain? Right? This is X. This is my domain. Right? So my domain is, it goes, my highest number is 100. Right? And my lowest number is 65. So 100 minus 65 is 35. Okay? So I need 35 in the x's. I need to be able to fit 35. Right? Now that means 65 could be right here. And then 75, 85, right? Or I could go 65, right? I could do 65, 70, 75, 85, 95, right? 105, right? And I'm good. That's pretty easy, right? So, or I could just go, let's start with 60. Then that would be 65, 70, 75, 80, right? 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. Same thing. Does that make sense? Okay, and that's my x's. So I can fit all my x's there. My x's live in Texas. My y's. That's my range. By the way, the range of the domain is 35, right? There's two ranges in math. It's confusing. One is the y's, and the other is the distance, the amount, the difference between the highest and the lowest. Okay? What is the range of the range then? Right? So my range, my highest number is 48. My lowest number is 22. So the range of that means I got to fit 48 through 22 in there somehow. Right? And so when I look at that, I think, okay, well that's about 26, right? So I've got to fit 26 in here. Well, I'm not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 26, right? And I could go 2s, but that would be like 12 of them, right? So I could just do 5s again. That's fine. 5s work, right? So my lowest is 22, so I might as well start this with 20. Then 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. And there I am. Okay? And then I just do my points. 32 and 80. 32, or 80 and 32. So 80 and 32. It's right there. Okay? 73 and 27. It's about there. 65 and 22. It's right there. Okay. 90 and 38. 90 and 38.
There you go, Bo.
Out there. 96 and 45. 96 and 45. Right there. 148. 148. Out there. 82 and 35. 82 and 35. About there. Okay? And so here, I just want to create a line. Right? So I just use something that I can create a line with. To where half of them are on top and half of them are on the bottom. Okay? That's a good line. Half of them on top, half of them on the bottom. Right? Pretty good line. Some of them are on it, some of them a little over, some of them are a little above. Right? Good line. Everybody agree? Now, I don't know where it's going through, but I have to find the equation of this line. So I got to find 2 points on this line. And look at this. This is 1 point. That's a beautiful point right there. And then I got to look at where it crosses again. Oh, snaps. Look at that. It goes through right there. I'm loving those points because they go through the vertex of something. And now I can look at it and go, oh, it's 90 and 70. Well, what is the difference in the x? Well, what's the difference between 90 and 70? What's the difference? How much is between them? Between 90 and 70. How much?
10.
Come on, people.
10.
How much? 10?
20.
20. 90 to 70. 10, 20. Right? Now, how much is between 25 and 40?
And have the video on it.
How much is between 25 and 40? What's the difference? What is the difference in the y's? What is 25 minus, or 40 minus 25?
What is what? 45 minus 25?
40 minus 25.
50?
15. Okay? So remember, m is equal to the change in y over the change in x. So it's just 15 over 20. Does 5 go into both of these? How many times? How many times does 5 go into 15? 3?
Yeah.
Okay? So 5 goes into 15 3 times. 5 goes into 20?
4.
4? So m is 3/4. Okay? Is it recording? Does it say record?
It's not like it's not.
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, so my m is 3/4. What do I need for y equals mx plus b to work? What do I need? I need m and I need b. That's it. Blood? Right? So, I got my m, now I need to find my b. So I need to use one of these points. So you can use either one, it doesn't matter to me. You can use this one or this one. Which one do you want to use? And we'll circle it. The higher one. I like it too. Because they both have zeros. They're nice. It's 40 and it's 90. Right? 90 and 40. That's the point. So that's the point we're going to use. This is x and this is y. Right? So I just plug it in. 40 equals m, which is 3/4 x, which is 40 plus b. Oh, no, sorry, not 40. Wait. Did I say that?
Yes.
Yeah, y is 40. X is 90. Sorry about that. Plus b. Okay? Right? 90 and 40? Yep. So x, y is 40, x is 90, m is 3/4. Then we just, what's 3/4 of 90? So how many times is 4 going to 90? I don't know if it does nicely, right? It goes into 88 nicely, so it's going to be a half, right? We're going to end up with a half here. So it's going to be not so good, but that's okay, right? But it goes into 90, well, 11 and a half times, right? 11.5. And 11.5 times 3 is 33. And what's half of 3? 1.5. So it's 33 plus 1.5? 34.5. So then I subtract that from both sides. Minus 34.5 from both sides. And so what is 34.5 from 40? And that's, it's not 6, right? It's 5.5. So 5.5 is B. It's not that bad. I have B, I have M. Y equals X, right? Now I just plug in. M is 3/4. X, or B, is plus 5.5. That means that's the slope of the line. That's the equation of the line. That's it.